Set it on the tracks and throttle up, throttle the other direction. No light, no nothing. Same set of tracks. My Markland reference locomotive runs well. So time to open this guy up. So the first step is to open the shell. I use guitar picks, the thinnest ones I can find. Right in there like that. And there we go, pops right out. And time to reseat the circuit board. And put on my Optivisor here, excuse me. I do like to see things a little easier. And let's pause, I'm gonna get my tweezer. Okay, so tweezers in hand, I'm going to just lift this. Oh, there we go, jeez, it popped right out. Okay. So the instructions are usually to get these tabs, bend them upright, like so. Leave them bent upright like that. And I'm just going to reinstall the board. And I usually like to guide it because on this end it doesn't always go in exactly where I want it to go. And there we go, went right in. So before we go putting shells back on, we'll go back to the tracks and see if this runs and lights up. And setting it on the rails, indeed it works now, so that was the fix. So let's put the shell back on and do the final test. So let's put the shell on. So there's two little teeth that go into this hole here, into the holes. There we go, so that's in place. Then we get the shell carefully, careful of the ladders. Make sure the trucks are lined up. And boom, we are in place. That's ready to go. That's a wrap for that guy. Let's put it back on the tracks and do the final test run. And put it on the tracks, it's running. Man, it's hard to see that light, but it's on. Let's get right down the pipe. There. The faint glimmer of the light there. Let's turn off the lights. So here we are in near pitch black conditions, and you can see there is a light there, very faint. And the same set of tracks in full light condition, and you can barely see the light. So that's normal for the F7 guys. That's an additional 15 minutes of time for the dealer to have to get this ready to ship to a customer who's ordered the tested version.